Alright guys, we made it. We're in the back of Walmart. Or Kroger. Got another big table. We're at Kroger. Kroger closes in 40 minutes. I'll be back with you soon. It's a very uncomfortable position, but we're in here. We're hiding. Look, we've been here for about 20 minutes now. I'll be back with you soon. Okay guys, update. So we're still here. We've been here for about 40 minutes now. The store closes in about 5 minutes. So we're gonna try to find a better spot. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling, but we're gonna have to be quiet. There's some doors to get out. There's a big lobby's right out there. So it's right there. Around the corner. We in this big baby. We in this. This is actually insane. Yeah, we did almost get caught. We're still in. They're so slow too. This is a horrible spot. Probably is. We'll probably get caught. We'll probably get caught when it closes. Just die. Someone died in 10 minutes. Here I come, toilet paper.
Hey bro, you didn't have toilet paper in the bathroom. Text Marcus and see if you're seeing your stories.
I'm gonna text you now when I'm not seeing. Alright, we're gonna cut the cameras out. I'm gonna update y'all again at 11 o'clock when the store closes. Okay, y'all, it's officially 14 minutes after closing. We're still here. Oh shit. I think they're in here because it's very loud thumping. I keep hearing a loud thumping. I think they're working out. It's 11:15. I can get live action. I'll start the camera back up whenever we get out of the hunting spot. Alright, chat, we move spots. We're now behind a bunch of these things.
Got some drinks.
We found us some drinks.
We got some food. We got some salad.
Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, chat? You still hiding in this? We found some milk. Somebody's in here. Yoker. Alright, I'm gonna update y'all when we get out of this spot. Alright, chat. So, we got out the hunting spot. And we found a ladder. We got up here. We're in this shit, baby. Hey, come. We're on top of everyone. Be quiet. Yo, look at all. Oh, that's the lights. Yo, we're ready. Don't step on that. Don't step on this. Those are the lights.
That's stable. No feeling.
Ooh. I'm not risking that. Oh, fuck. Should we get the power out? Oh, there's a camera. Go. We sit here for a minute, I think. What's this? Yeah, I think that's a camera. What's this? Should we unplug it? So we stay up here for a bit or try to go out? Okay. Hold up. Go look. We just gotta go. We have to run out of emergency. 3, 2.
I'm gonna put my pants up. Fuck. Go.
No, we're good. Alright, Chad. So, I got there. I wish I could have recorded more, but basically what happened was we were up on, so basically that was where we were up, that was actually in the back room. So we were hiding in, where they prep the deli section. We walked out the door about to head to the lobby. We found the ladder. Originally when we climbed up, we didn't know what it was.
Yeah, so
it's basically just a little rafter section. So we get up there, we're actually hanging out for a bit. We even, snatch a little something to eat,
couple of drinks.
Oh yeah, for sure. And we started hearing noises and carts and shit.
Yep.
So in the video, you can see him, he kind of, sneaks over, peeks over the edge. And there were, 2 or 3 more?
About 3, maybe 4.
They were just yapping down there. So once they left, we went down the ladder, looked out the door, and they were all about to walk back in.
Yeah.
So we really didn't have a choice. We had to run out the emergency exit.
But before all that, we walked out, pushed the doors out, or we walked in refrigerator. Yeah. Walked in the refrigerator, right, to get some bread and some food. So we walked in there. We were crawling and shit, and all of a sudden, we saw about 2 police pull up. We saw 2 police pull up, so we went back up the ladder, chilled there for what 10, 30 minutes?
10,
15,
30
maybe 30.
That.
And then all of a sudden, this intercom came. I don't know, what was it saying? You heard it.
Basically saying that, long story short, they knew somebody was in the store, and they were just asking for us to come out and we'd be escorted out. Nothing would happen. Blah blah blah.
But we do these videos. We're not pros. We're
not pros. Listen,
we're not pros. We're just a bunch of teenagers fucking an adult because he's 18. But we're
no.
Hey, I'm 32.
No. I don't want to get charged as an adult. I'm 13, by the way.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I'm 12. No.
But yeah, we didn't want to like go out there and then call like the cops saying, "Oh, they broke shit and all that stuff." Because that's where we live. That's what
we did break that door though.
Yeah, we did break that door.
We did break that door.
But around our town, people like to fucking, because we're both banned from Walmart because they're saying we broke shit and all that shit, and they're saying we throwing balls at people's carts.
We did do that.
We did do that, but it wasn't an accident. You threw it and we went to catch it and it slipped off. But yeah, we're not pros. We're just we're just a bunch of teens trying to make a YouTube video for you guys. I know we're not we don't have good quality. We're filming it on an iPhone.
Today, Junior.
Shut up.
Okay.
But yeah, we would love for more people, because we're trying to bring back the overnight channels, the overnight, the exploring, the abandoned buildings, and all that stuff. So
bro, this is why I don't like Corona. That shit tastes like straight hand sanitizer.
But again, we're not pros. We're just doing this for the fun and the thrill. I wouldn't advise doing it on yours because.
Oh, shut up! They're gonna do it.
I know you guys are gonna do it, but take some advice from because I'm technically a felon.
Be smarter.
Yeah, be smarter. I'm technically a felon.
Now listen, we don't really give a fuck, so we were doing whatever the fuck we wanted in there.
Yeah.
Because either way, if we got caught, we were gonna run.
Yeah. So if you guys do decide to do this, just be careful, please. We don't want a bunch of kids to see this video.
Let me show you something. So, right now, we are on the run.
Yeah.
So what happened? And
we found a new crib.
Yeah. So it's gotten so bad to where we're staying out, and this shit's not even fully built. This ain't even ours. This was unlocked. We don't know what it is. We had to come in here. We needed somewhere to sleep.
This is a completely empty apartment. So now we're spending.
The night here for a little
No,
bit.
we're spending.
half the
I don't know how long on the run because.
He has work. He's
No, we're stupid and we're trying to make
Yeah.
fun content. For you.
yeah. We're trying to, and bro, we're trying to be a big creator one day. We're trying to be a big creator one day, like Ali Law, Sam and Kobe, and all them kids, all them guys.
They our type of channel. I want to start posting content like OG De'Adrian Harden, Junior J, Kendrick Curry,
Yeah.
Ash.
Hey, if you guys like this, just post it on below. Give us like,
Yeah, comment down. Give us ideas. Give us
Ideas,
something
yeah.
y'all want to see.
cause like we could we do ding dong ditching, and not like go to hotels and not ditch.
Now,
So
I'm gonna go ahead and spoil this. For the next video, we're probably gonna be doing a mix of Ding Dong Ditching and
overnight,
probably Backup Screamer.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
yeah, backup screaming.
No, I want it to go around. Gabe, he's a part of our street running group.
Yeah.
He gave us the idea. Throwing bread in carts. We keep seeing it on TikTok.
Oh, God, yeah.
That might be the next video.
So just cause we're small creators. I'm not famous, he's not famous. We're just trying to make good content for you guys and all that shit. So just please give us ideas. We're stupid. We're gonna do it.
Yeah. Right.
Like
All
if you guys want to see some parkour, put it up there. We do parkour.
We'll do anything.
Yeah.
For
the thrill of it.
We also are a part of a citywide BMX street riding. The skate park's covered, so we just been street riding stuff.
So like
that.
if you want to see like a street ride, if we might buy GoPros, we can strap one to his chest, strap one to
got
my
one.
chest. Yeah. Do you have two?
Your trust.
Chest.
I'm
shut up.
sorry.
We can
All right.
strap. But
This intro was longer than I needed
Yeah.
to be, but just wanted to explain to you guys all that.
Yeah.
But
and like, subscribe, and comment.
like, sub, and comment what y'all want to see.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Oh God. Peace out.
Us.